Yo. Come on, look at your girlfriend.
Me. Do you want to spoil my Wisemart portable blender?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know you had breakable things in your bag. I've really missed it. I just wanted to give you a hug. By the way, what is this?
It's a fruit blender, specially designed for people that love fruits and vegetables like me. You can use it to blend your fruits anywhere you go without electricity.
Wow, without electricity?
Yeah.
So tell me, how does this work?
Oh, okay. All you need to do, first of all, here is the charger point. And all you need to do is slice in your fruits just like this and then press here, it will blend. That's all.
This is beautiful. So why don't we try it?
Oh, you want to try it? Okay. Here, just press here. See? See?
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks beautiful. So where can I get this beautiful Wisemart?
Okay. It's available in the supermarkets nationwide. Go get yours.
Wismart rechargeable blender, we inspires life. Marketed by Wismart Home Appliance and Technology. 0811722594 or 080253922524.